Are you amistoso? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is amistoso. Amistoso. This is a Spanish adjective and it means friendly. Amistoso is masculine and amistosa is feminine. The plural form is amistosos or amistosas. Now let's see a few examples using this word. Los meseros eran amistosos y atentos. Los meseros eran amistosos y atentos. Mi jefe no es amistoso. Mi jefe no es amistoso. Las personas amistosas son más felices. Las personas amistosas son más felices. Algunos animales son amistosos, otros no. Algunos animales son amistosos, otros no. Okay, that was the Spanish word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!